Hey guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to install my unlocked vehicle sounds and siren length limit. Basically all it does is it makes it so you can have longer sound effects in your vehicles.awc file for longer sirens, like a 28-second long fire truck siren, a Q-siren that I have installed. Uh, it's not my sirens, um, they're just the sirens I have installed. But what I did do is I combined two sirens, put them together into one thing. So if you like both these sirens, then um, be sure to put the support for those sirens on these websites. Um, the only thing that I did was just put them into one vehicle AWC, so then I can use both at the same time. Um, but basically, yeah. So it makes it so you can use sirens that are like that long, or you can put other modded vehicle sounds in there that you want to be longer, but the game might not let you normally. So basically how that works is you see these deleted files. These are the things that I muted, basically. These are the sound effects I muted. You don't delete them, you just mute them with Audacity. But I muted enough to where you won't have to do that ever yourself. So the only thing you'll have to do is just switch out the sirens that I have with the sirens you want. Or you can just use the ones that I put in there. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into the file folder that I gave you that you downloaded. It's going to be in a zip. You're going to extract that, go into the extracted folder, and then it's just going to be you're just going to be working with these two files right here. This you won't see, and this you won't need. If you're watching this video, you won't need this how to install text document. But in order to switch the sirens around, you're going to go into the vehicles folder and go to the sirens you want to replace mine with. Uh, go into the separate tones if they hopefully they came with separate tones if you want that siren pack. Um, you're gonna highlight all of them and just drag and drop them in there, and then you're good with that there. Uh, some other ones might just come with them like this, where they offer basically it's gonna look the same as mine, just with this ones that they replace. Uh, if they don't replace it, what you can do is you can edit them in Open 4 and save them, like save the contents, and it'll save it basically how it's formatted in my mod and in this other siren mod. And then you'll be able to open up the vehicles, and then you'll be able to find the sirens that they used. You can drag and drop them into mine, and then it'll work. After you've done that, if you if you didn't like my sirens, if you do like them, you don't have to do that part. Um, then you can go into Open 4 here and select Windows on GTA 5. And then you're going to go into Mods times 64 Audio SFX resident.rpf, and then it's this vehicles.awc file that you're going to be editing. You don't have to edit it, you're just going to drag and drop a file. So you're going to go into edit mode, press yes, and then if it says to show in mods folder or like whatever, if it says it's not in your mods folder, press copy to mods folder, and then do this through this path that's right here. Then you're gonna right click in the blank space, then go to input or import open formats, and then make sure you're on my sirens. So mine is on the desktop in the sirens folder, and you're gonna press the vehicles OAC, press open, and then click OK, and then you're done. And that's all there is to it. It's really simple and easy. All you need is open 4, and then you're good.